Morning, sir.
Okay, dear. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the poverty as a challenge. Really, dear, poverty is a challenge for our nations. It is the barriers in economical growth rate. Barriers means simply, poverty is a barriers or maybe control the speed of our economical growth rate. So poverty is the big challenge for us. A poverty is big challenge, and how what are the government schemes to reduce the poverty or those rest of the poverty line कि number of people today suppose our 26 crore populations are poor, so how do we can reduce this ratio? So in this chapter, yesterday we have discussed through the mind map. So first we'll discuss meaning of the poverty. Later on we'll discuss how we estimate the poverty, how to we calculate. So there is the two criteria for calculation of poverty line. And third one, we'll discuss what do you mean by the social exclusion and vulnerable group, or why such group may be more suffer during the any natural disaster or epidemic. So these are the points we'll discuss. Later on we'll discuss causes of poverty. What are the main causes why poverty line has increased? Or finally we'll discuss anti-poverty program launched by government. So causes of poverty and anti-poverty programs, both topics are important in this chapter. So first, poverty means what? Simple, we can say we unable to arrange or sufficient बेरो means जो हम डेली खाने के लिए बेरो means the daily जो हमें daily needs होती है basic needs are we unable to arrange that बेरो means we can say poverty. Such person we can consider poor person. In other criteria, how do we calculate the poverty line? Yeah, person we can say poor. So it is decided by NSSO, that is National Sample Survey Organization. So yesterday we have discussed. And another one criteria to calculate, one is the in money or rupees we can calculate decided by NSSO. It is the little bit variation between the urban and rural areas. Another one criteria to calculate the poverty line, that is the calorie, means the calorie consumption by a person. Suppose calorie consumption is less than the 2400 in rural area, if any one person whose consumption level is 2400 less than in rural area, जिसकी 2400 से लेस कंजप्शन या इतनी कैलोरी जिसको नहीं मिल रही है, such person we can consider the poor person in rural area. Or in urban area, it is 2000 in urban area 2100 it is calorie consumption in urban area. Why is the variation between the rural and urban? Because human beings are same due to means the more physical work done by the rural areas, those people who are living in rural area, that's why their consumption or calorie consumption is the higher compared than the urban area. So those people who are getting less than the 2400 calories in rural area and 2100 calories in urban area, such person we can consider the poor person. Uh, Now we are going to indication of poverty. What are the indicators of poverty? What are the indicators of poverty? Whom person we can say the poor? Okay. So safe drinking facility. Those people who are unable to arrange the safe drinking facility, such people we can consider the poor. And what government are doing to reduce such problem? So government are providing the water facility by constructing the water tank, by different dams, by supplying water, by the government hand pumps or such public water resources like constructed by the government. Second indicator, lack of the job opportunities. Suppose anyone people who are unable to find the job, is this also a indicators of poverty? Job opportunities, if you are unable to find out, it means our unemployment or such we are burden on our nation. So it is the indicators of poverty. If in any nations unemployment ratio is higher, so such nation we can say poor nation. Third, lack of the healthcare facilities. Suppose we are unable to arrange the healthcare facilities in proper manner, so such country are indicate or such country we can say the poor country. But see the government efforts, government are providing the healthcare facilities at a minimum cost 5 to 10 rupees, and those people who are part of the BPL, yeah, APL line and Bamasa, so they are getting the free treatment also. So government putting full effort to reduce the poverty line. We can't blame on the government. Illiteracy level. If in any nation we see the illiteracy level, illiteracy level, or you know meaning of that word. Literacy, literate is the word. Literate matlab sakshar. Okay. Those people who know the triple R. In simple definition to learn, we can write the triple R. 3 R मतलब triple R. अब यहाँ पे you know pronunciation sound will be different. अब triple R is the reading knowledge, writing knowledge, arithmetic knowledge. If anyone people who able to write her or his name, who able to read her or his name or simple sentence, who able to calculate the simple mathematics calculation, subtraction or like this, such people we can consider the literate people. But there is the one limit. Limitation, what is the her or his age should be above 7 years. If it below the 7 years, anyone child we can't consider the illiterate because below the 7 years he or she maybe attend the school. So those people who are unable to read, who don't know the triple R knowledge, or those categories above the 7 years, such people we can consider the illiterate people. So in any nation, illiteracy rate is high. Illiteracy also indicate the poor countries. Okay. Last one, sanitation. Just a very dear test. Beta, okay, dear, continue. So now we are going to discuss about the two words, social exclusion and vulnerable group. Okay. So social exclusion means that this word yesterday we have discussed. Now we are going to explain it. कि if any peoples are living in such poor area where is the lack of facilities, there is no such facilities for education, for health, for water, drinking water. So such people who are living in such scenario, they may be less developed compared than the any citizens who are living in the such multi-story or towns or in such urban areas, so they are more developed. So this is also a one factor social exclusion for poverty. If anyone living in such area where is a multi-story building or such education facilities are available, so those people who are living in that area, they are more developed because their children are getting the all basic facilities. Or if anyone living in slum basti, in such areas, remote areas where is there no such facilities, so their children is less developed compared than theirs. So social exclusion is the also a one factor responsible for poverty. Okay. Or we'll discuss the through the slide also. Doesn't matter. And another factor is vulnerable group. What is the vulnerable group? There is those people who are backward, ST scheduled tribe, SC scheduled caste, farmers, landless farmers, widows, physical handicapped. Those are physical handicapped, widows, or landless farmers, laborers. So during the any disaster or anything, or during the any epidemic, if any such thing happens in country, so such people are faced more problem affected than the others due to the lack of resources, because there are no such resources through that they can recover themselves. So such people, such category face challenges. They may be lost their livelihoods, they may be lost their asset or properties like this to recover in such cases. So such vulnerable group, this group is known as the vulnerable group, which more affected by during any disaster. Just say for example COVID-19. Okay. Or suppose anyone handicapped person who earning through the shop or maybe or during the COVID-19, no, have no such resources. So during the COVID-19, such people affected mostly because they can't recover themselves if their income sources will be cut off, or maybe they are unable to earn the such income. So such people face them make more problem. Landless है, widows है, or scheduled tribe caste है, because there are no such equality in society. There are no such equal resources in society. So this is the main point today we will discuss. Now we are going to discuss this chapter through the slides. Okay, so we have enough time till 30th of November. It's our last chapter. So we will be complete this chapter before given time. So see through the slide, or we'll discuss why I am using the slide for a case study, because in this chapter there is the two case studies given, one from the rural area, another one from the urban area. Or this time CBSE decided in board exam कि their maximum question will be based on the case study, with 5 to 10 marks question will be based on the case study given in bracket box. So through this paragraph will be given, or through the case study, student able to solve the such questions. So see the dear, just are you able to see the screen dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay
Yes,
dear.
sir.
Yes,
So this
sir.
is known as the vulnerable group. So what is the vulnerability? Vulnerability to poverty is a measure which describes the greater probability of certain communities, say members of a backward caste like scheduled tribe, scheduled caste, or individuals such as the widow, physically handicapped person, of becoming or remaining poor in the coming years, because they have no such resources. Through this they can recover their self, means the economical and like this. So such people may be more suffer, they will take the more time, or in coming year there is the chances for them to maybe they solve their properties or whatever resources. So in such conditions, they face a more problem. I'll take a simple example. Okay, suppose anyone landless who is working on field, or she has only one or two cattle or one daughter. So during the illness of her daughter, she has no such resources for a medical treatment. So except to sell off their, just a minute here. Please, please. So, okay, dear. So, such group, such a lady may be unable to provide the treatment for her daughter. So, she has no such scope except to sell their cattle. So, whatever sources, earning sources, उसके पास दो cattle थे and later on she may be sold out that. So, she has no such resources. So, there is the maximum chances for such categories which face the more problem here. Such group is known as the vulnerable group. Okay. Another one group, social exclusion. See, meaning of social exclusion. Just a word, sorry dear. Yes. Social exclusion, see the such pictures. In this picture, we can see that such multi-story buildings are given. So those people who are living in multi-story buildings, they have the good facilities, basic needs or basic facilities compared than those who are living in slum bastis or jugis. So this social exclusion, मतलब different societies living standard. Okay. So according to the concept of poverty must be seen in terms of the poor having the life only in poor surrounding with the other people. Because why this is considered the more social exclusion? Because poor people will be live with the poor only. They can't live in such multi-story or in such building. So poor people will live with the poor people along with the poor people. So they may be getting the less resources. That's why they become a poor. So live only the poor surrounding with the other people, excluded from the enjoying social equality of better off people in better surrounding. Or those people who are living in the better off or maybe in such environment, so they become more prosperous compared than that. So that's why it is the another reason for poverty line. What do they show? They show that poverty means hunger and lack of shelter. See the child. Okay, baby. So hunger are two types, chronicle and seasonal. Seasonal is not given in your book, but it is the in chapter 4 or it is related by CBSE, but doesn't matter here. So a chronic hunger and seasonal hunger. Seasonal hunger. Seasonal hunger means the person unable to arrange food during the few months, yeah, in particular season. Suppose anyone lady who may be busy with the agriculture work, or when there is no such work on the field, so such lady we can say seasonal hunger in the month of April to June or maybe like 2 3 months when there is no such agricultural work on field. So such categories we can say the seasonal. But those people who are living in the Kalari desert or such Odisha or in such Bihar, such backward areas in any state doesn't matter, we can't compare the anyone in any such area where they are living or they are not getting the proper nutrition of food so for a long period, so such people we can say chronic hunger. Okay, so poverty also means lack of clean water and sanitation facilities. See the categories people, how they are living in slum bastis. Introduction we have discussed, they could also beggars with the children in matlab children below the 14 years they are working. We see poverty all around us. In fact, every fourth person in India is poor. See, in our country every fourth person is poor. See the poverty line. Another introduction, this means roughly 26 crore population or people in India live in poverty line. This also means that the India has the largest single concentrations of the poor in the world. This illustrates the seriousness of this challenge. This is the serious challenge for our nation. Poverty line, how to estimate? We through the income, and another one is the calorie. So 2,400 calorie in a rural area or 2,100 calorie in urban area. Poverty line, yes, it given. The expected average calorie requirement in India is 2,400 calorie per person per day in rural area and 2,100 calories is per person per day in urban area. If anyone who are not getting this given according to given criteria, so such people we can consider the poor person. Poverty line, since people living in the rural areas are engaged themselves in the more physical work, calorie requirement in rural area are considered to be higher than the urban area. That's why. Okay. Story of Ram Sir. 33-year-old Ram Saran worked as the daily wage for labor in a wheat flour mill near Ranchi in Jharkhand. It is a case study. He managed to approximately 1,500 rupees per month when he find employment. The money is not enough to sustain family of six, including himself. Total number of members was six. His wife and four children, aged between the 6 to 12 years. Yes, so six members means what? So population also a one factor, one causes of poverty. He has sent money home to his old parents who live in village near Ramgarh. Ram Saran live in a one-room rented house in a crowded urban settlement in the outskirts of the city. His wife Santa Devi work as the part-time maid in few houses and managed to earn another 800 rupees. They manage a major meal of dal and rice twice a day, but it never enough for all them. Means the whatever they were earning, so they were no such enough income. Whatever they were getting, that was not enough for them. His elder son worked as the helper in tea shop to supplement the family income and earn another 300 rupees. His 10-year-old daughter take care of the younger sibling. None of the children go to school and have only two pairs of second-hand clothes. Shoes are luxury. The children have no health care when they fell ill. See the case study. How do we think? Dear, we are lucky. We are living with such parents. We are living in such area. We should be thankful God कि we are not part of that. What is the poverty? Those people who are facing problems, they know about very well. कि what is poverty? What are the major problems faced by them? When we have no such resources, to see the case study of Ram Saran. And what I have observed, one factor is population exploitation also responsible for poverty line. Or what my personal views about it, कि many people maybe think about it, कि if total number of children in our family will be three or four or more, so all will be earn more and more income. So that is not good thoughts. बहुत से लोग सोचते हैं कि जितने नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स होंगे इन फैमिली उतनी हमारी अर्निंग सोर्सेज बढ़ेगी उतने अर्निंग सोर्सेज होंगे अर्निंग एंड होंगे बट अर्निंग एंड बाद में होते हैं अर्लियर देवर बर्डन ऑन आवर फैमिली पहले वो बर्डन बनते हैं फैमिलीज पे और इसलिए हमें फैमिली की साइज ऐसी होनी चाहिए स्मॉल साइज फैमिली और another story. This slide I am using for only the story only dear, either than no slide required during my lecture. So story of Laka Singh. Laka Singh belonged to a small village near Meerut in UP. His family doesn't own any land, so they do odd job for the big farmers. 8 times they get paid Rs 50 for a hard day work means the after hard work. The family of 8 cannot always manage to spare of meals a day. सुबह शाम का खाना भी नहीं अरेंज कर पाते थे. They live in a kacha hut, kacha houses in the outside of the villages. The women of the family spend the day chopping fodder and the collecting firewood in the fields. He had start earning when he was 10 years old. See the burden. His father, as a TB patient, passed away 2 years ago due to the lack of medication. His mother now suffers from the same disease and life is slowly being away. All the villages have the primary school. Laka never went there. He started earning when he was 10. New clothes are bought once a few years, and even soap and oil are luxury for the family. मतलब they unable to arrange the soap and oil. These are the luxury. मतलब ये चीज तो too much valuable. Or what about us? So dear, you have seen the both case study. So we are lucky, we are thankful to God that we are living in such condition where we are not facing God. I'm not blaming the such person, those who are facing the poverty or maybe the such challenges, but we must be respect our resources. What our parents are giving to us, we should be respected. हम बहुत बार इग्नोर करते हैं कि मैं इसको नहीं खाऊंगा, मैं इसको नहीं पहनूंगा. Many times we have comment on that. So see the both case study you have seen कि oil and soap are luxury for them, or what we are doing, we ignore, we wasted the food many times. So dear, we must be respect the food. हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि when we sit on the lunch or dinner table or maybe that time, so we think about that there are many people, 26 crore populations of our country, they are unable to arrange their choice of a meal. Twice their meal means the सुबह शाम का खाना भी नहीं मिलता. Think about that, why you are doing. So dear, should be this chapter also giving a moral lecture also to us. We must be respect the dead person. We never waste our food. We must be give the values for those whatever our parents are giving us. And we are thankful to the God कि हमें ये सब चीजें मिल गई. So dear student, today we have discussed this point, indicators of poverty, two case studies, and vulnerable group and social experiences. Social experience. So if you have any doubt, you may be asked. Or yesterday, one or two students only forgetted their name along with the PDF. So I will suggest them. So all were nice, and your weekly test smoothly conducted. Now you know about your